9:15 a.m. market open. It's a bank Nifty 1-minute chart. In this chart, automatically you will get calls. For example, previous day before market closing, a buy call generated at 45,885. That buying momentum followed up to today 10 o'clock also. After 10:25, a new call, first fresh call generated, sell call. So red color candle open. Sell at 45,842, our trading point, entry point line. That straight white line from red color candle, our entry point line. Below our first target, second target line. Above line is the stop loss line. Daily basis in live market, it will generate calls like this automatically. So you can watch the chart, get the call, place the order in your broker account. Today sell call came at sell at 45,842. First target is 45,727. 115 point first target, and second target is more than a 200 point range. Like this every day, it will automatically analyze market movement and generate calls in live market. After 20 minutes of sell call momentum, it break out the first target range, and 115 point breakout has been happened. Like this today sell call generated and achieved the target. Bank Nifty weekly option chart, 45,700 put option. This put option coming week Thursday expiring at 198 buy call generated, and market move all the way to the 255, a 50 point momentum in at the money option. Like this today in option chart also call generated. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide you the plan detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.